When it comes to building a compact yet powerful PC, selecting the right case is crucial, and Micro-ATX cases stand out for their balance of size and functionality. Whether you're a gaming enthusiast, a content creator, or simply seeking a sleek setup for everyday tasks, the right Micro-ATX case can help you maximize space without sacrificing performance. In this video, we'll explore the best Micro-ATX cases available, highlighting their features, designs, and why they might be the perfect fit for your next build. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L. Our find for best budget Micro-ATX case. Are you on the hunt for a budget-friendly Micro-ATX case that doesn't compromise on quality? The Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L might be the perfect choice for you. This mini tower case, designed for gaming and versatile use, is crafted from durable alloy steel and plastic, ensuring it stands the test of time. Weighing in at just 480 grams, the Q300L is lightweight yet spacious, accommodating Micro-ATX or mini-ATX motherboards effortlessly. With generous clearance for components, it supports CPU coolers up to 159mm, GPU cards up to 360mm, and power supplies up to 160mm in length. This case allows for flexibility and future-proofing your build. Cooling performance is paramount in gaming setups, and the Q300L excels with its open thermal design and perforated pattern that promotes optimal airflow. You have the option to enhance cooling further with a 240mm liquid cooler and up to 5 fans. Plus, the modular input-output panel lets you position it at the front, top, or bottom on either side, catering to your specific setup needs. The Q300L also features an edge-to-edge transparent side panel, proudly showcasing your meticulous build. And let's not forget the magnetic dust filters that not only keep your system clean, but add a distinctive look to your case. If you crave a sleek, functional, and stylish case that enhances your gaming experience, the Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L is a solid investment. Number 4. Lian A3 mATX, our find for best high-end compact Micro-ATX case. Are you in search of a high-end compact Micro-ATX case that seamlessly blends style with functionality? The Lian A3 mATX Mini Tower is designed specifically for your gaming needs, offering a minimalistic yet sleek aesthetic that fits perfectly in any setup. With a volume of just 26.3 liters, this chassis boasts a space-efficient design without sacrificing performance. The Lian A3 is compatible with both Micro-ATX and ITX motherboards, making it a versatile choice for various builds. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, rest assured that it can accommodate GPUs up to 415mm in length, making it suitable for high-performance graphics. The innovative side and top panels feature steel mesh, promoting optimal airflow to keep your components cool during intense gaming sessions. To enhance your cooling options, this case supports a generous configuration of up to a 360mm radiator and up to 10 by 120mm fans. This ensures your system maintains peak performance while extending the lifespan of your hardware. Constructed from durable alloy steel, the Lian A3 provides a robust and stylish foundation for your system, with bottom-mounted power supply placement. Cable management becomes hassle-free. Elevate your gaming experience with a case that embodies both quality and modern design, ensuring you can focus on what truly matters, your performance. Still searching for the perfect Micro-ATX case? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Fractal Design Pop Mini Air, our find for best RGB airflow Micro-ATX case. The Fractal Design Pop Mini Air is an exceptional Micro-ATX case designed specifically for gamers and enthusiasts seeking superior airflow and aesthetics. Are you looking for a compact yet versatile case that accommodates both mATX and mini-ATX motherboards? This case is an ideal choice. The easily mounted tempered glass side panel allows you to showcase your components, giving your build an impressive visual appeal. You'll appreciate the generous storage options, with the ability to house up to 2 HDDs and 6 SSDs, or 1 HDD plus 5 SSDs if you utilize one of the optical bays. This flexibility ensures you have ample room for all your games and data while keeping your system organized. The Pop Mini Air comes equipped with three 120mm aspect RGB fans, providing stunning lighting while enhancing cooling efficiency. Plus, you can expand your cooling options with support for 2 additional fans, achieving a total of 5 for optimal airflow. If you're planning to incorporate liquid cooling, this case holds radiators up to 240mm in the front and top, along with 120mm in the rear, giving you the adaptability you need. With its sleek RGB black tempered glass clear tint finish and thoughtfully concealed 5.25-inch bays, featuring a storage drawer and magnetic cover, the Pop Mini Air combines functionality and style effortlessly. Elevate your gaming experience with a case that perfectly balances performance with design. Number 2. Lian LANCOOL 205M Mesh, our find for best Micro-ATX case for easy build. The Lian LANCOOL 205M Mesh is the ultimate choice for those seeking a user-friendly Micro-ATX case designed for an effortless building experience. Are you looking to enhance your gaming setup with a stylish yet functional mid-tower case? This case supports both Micro-ATX and mini-ATX motherboards, providing versatility for various builds. You'll appreciate the upgraded mesh front panel, engineered for optimized airflow while still keeping dust at bay with magnetic dust filters on both the top and bottom. Whether you prefer air or liquid cooling, this case has you covered. With 2 pre-installed 140mm ARGB LED lighting pulse width modulation fans in the front, you can enjoy synchronized lighting effects that connect to your motherboard for a cohesive look. Accessibility is a key feature of the LANCOOL 205M. The tempered glass side panel allows you to showcase your RGB components, creating a stunning visual display. With thoughtfully designed removable SSD mounting brackets and an easily accessible power supply unit and HDD bay, you'll find that installation and upgrades are straightforward and hassle-free. This mid-tower chassis is crafted from durable alloy steel, ensuring long-lasting use while providing plenty of space for components. The Lian LANCOOL 205M Mesh is more than just a case. It's a foundation for your ultimate gaming experience. Embrace the ease and style of your next build. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. ASUS Prime AP201, our find for best Micro-ATX case overall. The ASUS Prime AP201 is an exceptional Micro-ATX case that stands out as the best choice for your builds, whether for gaming or business purposes. Designed to accommodate Micro-ATX motherboards, this mini tower case offers a perfect blend of style and functionality. Are you looking to optimize airflow in your setup? The AP201 features quasi-filter mesh panels crafted with over 57,000 precision-machined 1.5mm holes, ensuring remarkable airflow while showcasing the components of your build. Additionally, with support for both 280mm and 360mm radiators and the capacity to install up to 6 fans, this case is well equipped to handle the thermal demands of high-performance hardware. Ease of access is a priority with the ASUS Prime AP201. The tool-free side panels utilize a secure clip mechanism for quick removal, allowing you to modify your system without the hassle of traditional screws. This feature not only simplifies upgrades, but also ensures that the panels remain securely in place. Cable management is another aspect where the AP201 excels. Boasting an extended motherboard tray, it includes strategically placed cutouts and a generous 32mm gap to keep your cables organized and out of sight. This thoughtful design helps maintain a clean aesthetic while improving airflow within the case. By choosing the ASUS Prime AP201, you are investing in a case that prioritizes performance, versatility, and ease of use, making it the ideal choice for your next Micro-ATX build. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which Micro-ATX case you're going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.